hard to believe that this wide array of products, colorful bangles, jewelries, nail polish, perfume, boot polish, furniture polish, varnish, pharmaceutical oils, printing ink, dyes, and handicraft items trace their origins in areas such as this remote forest fringe village of Jharkhand. These products contain a natural resin known as lac that is cultivated in these hard-to-reach villages. There are two strains of lac found in nature, Kusumi and Rangini. Kusumi primarily grows on kusum and Rangini grows on other host trees like palash and ber. Lac encrustations called brood lac contain mature female insects about to give birth to young larvae. Brood lac is mounted on the trees through a process called inoculation, so that young larvae settle on the fresh twigs of the host plants, suck the plant sap and grow to form more encrustations. The lac crop gets ready for harvest in about 6 months. The twigs containing these encrustations are harvested after they are fully grown and lac is scraped out of them. The scraped lac is sold to the local traders who in turn sell it to the processing units. It then goes through different processes to come out in various forms such as seed lac, button lac, and shellac. Lac is produced in the states of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Orissa, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Assam. Lac rearing is a very important source of livelihood for the thousands of poor families such as that of Sushila Tuti of Gutwa village in Khunti, Jharkhand. Sushila and her husband, Walter Tuti, own 70 host trees of lac.
Naya mentigale kitile julung tenechi ale otte ko huding gya en loyong ko ar pidi otte tane otte do sai gi mina ande do amunung jana ka kitio dadi pidi otte gale e dar ko mina jhorte bakka mur ina tena ko ekole chalja korina ekole akrin ekar ale jome akole kirin de na otte do ale huding gya ande ale huding gi jome hoba otna kiti karib 6-7 mahine
Until a few years ago, Jharkhand accounted for a share of 60 to 65% of the total lac produced in India. Today, it has come down to 40%. Poor families like that of Sushilas and Rahils with sizable holdings of lac host trees are withdrawing from lac because of the uncertainties faced.
हमारे गांव में लाख के पेड़ बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। हम लोग तरफ पहले लाख बहुत थे, लेकिन अब लाख बिहीन भी ख़त्म हो गया, लाख एकदम बिल्कुल नहीं है। हम लोग को पहले चावल धान खेती होता है तो कम से कम 6-5 महीना तक होता था हम लोग का खाने के लिए। अब गला खाने के बाद फिर हम लोग का लाख कटाई होता है तो 6 महीना तो हम लोग का लाश से ही गुजारा हो जाता था। ऐसे तो बच्चों का पढ़ाई लिखाई, कॉपी किताब, ड्रेस सब कुछ हम लोग का लाश से ही हो जाता था, लेकिन अब तो हमारे यहाँ लाख खत्म हो गए।
I see there are 3 major problems that we are facing in lac sector. One is that the prices are constantly fluctuating. Prices are fluctuating primarily because productions are fluctuating, and so this whole fluctuating prices does not help the lac producers to apprehend initially what the price is going to be. So the confidence of farmers to get into lac is very low. The second important problem that we are understanding is that the science of lac as of now is not that certain science. So what we can bring under control through human intervention is say out of 100 risks we can bring under control 70 risks. The third important problem is that there is a whole the whole service delivery around lac cultivation is not articulated, is not developed. There is nobody to give you brood, there is nobody to brood means the seed material. there is nobody to give you credit services, there is nobody to give you production services.
While working to promote sustainable livelihoods for tribal families in Jharkhand, Pradhan realized that the challenges in lakh rearing were immense, but so were the opportunities.
For lakh, you just need a host plants and a few lakh implements and some technological support with which farmers can easily get good returns. The returns from lakh is, if you convert into per day return to labor, is around 200 to 250 per day. So with very little labor investment, one can get high return.
With the twin objective of bringing farmers back to lakh cultivation and to stabilize lakh production in the area, Pradhan intervened in lakh cultivation for the first time in the year 2001 in Torpa block of Khunti district with 28 families. The first step was to introduce lakh rearers to the scientific packages of practices in lakh cultivation. The technical inputs from Indian Institute of Natural Raisins and Gums, or IINRG, gave confidence to lakh rearers who were perplexed about the undesired mortality of lakh insects. Scientific lakh cultivation begins with identification of good quality host plants. Host plants should preferably be younger, have lush canopy and be near a water source or low land. The next step is pruning, where the uneven branches of the plants are lopped off. Now it is time to procure good quality brood lakh, which has to be fully live and mature with no diseases. The brood has to be inoculated onto the host tree within 48 hours of emergence of the larvae. Before inoculation, the brood is packed in specially designed nylon net bags. These bags are then rotated within the tree for uniform settlement of the larvae.
The farmer should adopt nylon net bags for inoculating the tree. They should put the brood lakh inside the nets and then inoculate on the trees. So this will prevent the attack of predators which are present in the brood lakh and help in wastage of the funky lakh which is to be removed of the tree.
During the initial phase of growth, a very important precautionary measure to reduce mortality is the spraying of pesticides. Timely spraying of pesticides is able to save up to 80% of the crop.
पहले हम लोग तो ऐसे ही इतना गुच्छे बंद करके हम लोग गाछ में ऐसे ही हुड़ के चढ़ा रहे थे। अब अभी तो दादा लोग बताए हम लोग को कि ऐसे में लाहा सब बहुत बेकार हो जाते हैं बोल के हम लोग को जाली ला के दिए और जाली में हम लोग काट के इतना छोटा काट जाली में हम लोग घुसा के बांध दिए। उसके बाद हम लोग गाछ में चाड़ के डाली में हम लोग बांध दिए तो नहीं गिरता है हवा से भी। पहले तो हवा से भी गिर जाते थे, जाली में लगाने पर उसमें कीड़े नहीं खाते थे।
देखिए अब इसमें बहुत बारीक फूकेंगे तो
But it wasn't easy to convince lakh rearers to accept the package of practices. There were a large number of misconceptions attached to lakh rearing. In addition to conducting meetings, Pradhan used innovative tools of communication such as folk songs and street plays to overcome these misconceptions. And going that extra mile seems to have worked in case of Sushila Tuti, who had almost given up on lakh.
Ale itu kita le ji eko le chal ja ko tai kina ar ne ya sukul te ko gojo tan tai kina inate inku natak ko lel kita le ar le ayum le inate na eko ko tain tena ranu ko le phechika bada ja ko or ka phechika ke kor dole ko gojo.
In order to reach out to larger number of lakh rearers, Pradhan also prepared a cadre of trained local youth as local resource persons or LRPs. The LRP provides doorstep referral services like knowledge dissemination, on-job training and input delivery. The local resource persons were given special training at the IINRG.
जो हमको जो ट्रेनिंग मिला है उसको गांव लेवल में उतारना है, गांव के किसानों को एकत्रित करके उनको ट्रेनिंग देना है कि लाख की खेती में क्या क्या समस्याएं होता है और उसका क्या सुझाव है। उसी तरह से जितना बार ट्रेनिंग देने का ज़रूरत पड़ता है हम लोग करके दिखाते हैं हाथ से, और उसमें क्या क्या सावधानियां बरतनी चाहिए उसको भी हम लोग खुद करके दिखाते हैं। इस तरह से हम लोग लाख खेती में बहुत ही अच्छा फ़ायदा कमा चुके हैं किसान के तौर पर और LRP के तौर पर भी।
ला खेतिर समस्या ताइकिना दो सीधे उतरते कुआसी दे ताइकिना कुआसी कीची को गोजुगा एने को और इनते इनरेगे ये जेटे भी से जेटे जाता है कि ना कोगे प्रधान दादा तक कोगे उदुबे एलिया रानू को आउ एलिया एंड ने निकान रानू को बुलागा मेंते को काजी के ची इना कोले पिचिका के को आते ना एने को मीना।
Pradhan's efforts have begun to yield results. In the last 5 years, Pradhan has succeeded in pulling almost 2,000 farmers back to lakh rearing.
वो पेड़ में ज़्यादा पानी जाएगा।
आखिरिंग कोले और पैसा डोले नामिया और हन कोले पढ़ा बड़ा जाको और ओड़ा को इना कोते गेले बाईजी देड़ो इना पैसा कोते गे उरी कोले किरिंग के को इना को पैसा ते
हिम्मत लोते ओड़ा दुआर ले चलाओ धड़ी का ओड़ो ना आले केटे मनते आइन ना दुनिया उरी बारिया उरी आइन किरिंग लिकिंग गया ओड़ा आइन अपड़े तिन बाई ले गया मने आने माइल मंडल सा आते गे आले ले एन ग्रुप रे जगार के आते गे आले हागा को आ ते आले ओड़ो आले आते गेले ओड़ा दुआर रे सोतो धड़ी का।
Today, scientific rearing of lakh fetches profits of about Rs 25,000 on an average from 10 host trees. Inspired by the profits made by farmers, Pradhan has gone a step further to make lakh rearing a round-the-year activity by taking it up in various seasons on different host plants. Rearing the kusumi strain or bear trees instead of kusum trees is one such example. Rearing on Semia Lata, which is a non-traditional host tree, is another experiment. With help from IINRG, Pradhan has helped lakh rearers like Sundar Pahan to plant Semia Lata on a part of their agricultural land.
पिछला 1 साल से हम शुरू किए हैं। शुरू करने के बाद हम इसमें ला लगाए, एक फसल हम ले चुके हैं। उसके बाद हम इसका भी फ़ायदा हम लिए। 7 किलो बीन चढ़ा करके उसमें हम 10,000 रुपया मुनाफा किए और अभी इसमें हम नर्सरी लगा करके कि इसमें से भी हम कुछ पैसा कमाना चाहते हैं।
With large number of farmers joining lakh cultivation with proper inputs and existing farmers willing to increase their unit size, there are new challenges that are surfacing.
There is a decline in brood availability since the time we have got into this sector. That's area number one. Second is what we want to do is we want to improve the lakh hosts survivability and to tolerate the kind of heat that brings lakh mortalities. The third is that we want to play with the seed rate. That the cost of brood is increasing, we want to see if can we improve the economics of lakh by decreasing the brood lakh. So we want to get into a kind of a value chain intervention where by organizing farmers into cooperatives and running their own semi-processing units and trying to go as far as we can in getting higher price down the value chain.
Annual demand for lakh in the world is approximately 40,000 metric tons, out of which about 21,000 metric tons comes from India and another 8,000 metric tons from Thailand, Indonesia and rest of the world. But there is still a huge gap of about 10,000 metric tons which needs to be met.
वर्ल्ड इसको डिमांड करती है, हम लोग दे नहीं पाते। ला तो ऐसी चीज़ है, इसका जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट रंग है वो भी ऑर्गेनिक डाई के काम में, फूड कलरिंग के काम में आता है। इसका दाम वर्ल्ड मार्केट में $150 पर किलो है। सबसे बड़ी खूबी ये है कि बायोडिग्रेडेबल प्रोडक्ट है ये, इसके बहुत उपयोग हैं। इसका उपयोग कभी घट नहीं सकता। ये हमारी बदकिस्मती होगी कि हम इसको प्रोडक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं।
The gap between demand and supply can result into generating livelihood options for as many as 1 lakh farmers.
With meager inputs, one can get additional source of livelihood. And as far as this state is concerned, we have conducted a study and found that the livelihood of those who are cultivating lakh, the income, annual income particularly, is to the tune of about 30%. The rest of the income comes from, say, rice production, from wood, from labor, from other sources. But about 30% income comes from lakh cultivation alone.
Through sustained efforts, Pradhan envisions a future where more farmers join the lakh movement, where improved techniques and increased profits propel the lakh from this region to its deserving place in both domestic and global markets.
प्रधान का मेन चैलेंज है, प्रधान कर भी रहा है, बट प्रधान का मेन चैलेंज है इसको और लार्ज स्केल में और बढ़िया ज़्यादा लोगों के पास पहुँचे, उसके लिए एक साथ मिलके कुछ उस तरह का सेक्टर प्रोटोटाइप बनाएं and जिसमें सरकार भी अपना ध्यान देगा।
Basic objective is to stabilize the lakh production, obviously to improve the production and capacity building of farmers, providing them some appropriate technology, providing them some improved implements for improving the cultivation, and we want to create a sort of a cadre of lakh specialists or trainers who can do handholding for all these farmers. So we had engaged Pradhan and they are doing social mobilization for this purpose. And as we know, this is a widely grown product. This is basically a forest produce. So we want to ensure that all the farmers who are engaged in this lakh cultivation get connected to this program.
The assurance of better returns through improved practice of lakh rearing as popularized by Pradhan has brought a ray of hope for these poor tribal villagers. The lakh rearers of Khunti today look forward to a better tomorrow.
2 गुना हम लोग पैसे मिल रहे हैं, पहले 50 रुपये, उसके बाद में अभी तो 100 रुपये हो रहा है।
वैज्ञानिक रूप से काम इतना तो बेसे गे मजा उतना ले सीधे दो मयन दारू रे 10 किलो को होता है कि ना दाता को आर सीना तले चल जा को तय केन रे ना ने वैज्ञानिक रूप से ने महिला मंडल दुख ना तले चल जा को दो 10 किलो बदल 30-25 किलो को होता है।
हम लोग जब किसानों के साथ खेती करते हैं, चाहे खेती करवाते हैं, तो हम लोग को बहुत आनंद मिलता है। हम लोग
सोच रहे हैं अब लाह का खेती वैज्ञानिक तरीके से करेंगे और पहले जैसा होता था वैसे ही, लेकिन उससे और 2 गुना हम लोग को ज़्यादा उपज मिले और उससे हम लोग अपने बच्चों को अच्छे स्कूलों में भेजें, ड्रेस कॉपी किताब अच्छी तरह से उनका पूरा कर सकें, यही हम लोग का